common. That's the quintessential of geniusness. That is the essence of geniusness. And that's an ability. You have it or you don't have it. You cannot learn that phenomenon. You're biologically predisposed to that phenomenon. So that biological predisposition allows you to tap in to that abstract area of thinking. All right, and it allows you to download this information. How you download the information? Well, you begin to absorb and process information that's precise, exact, and relevant. And you know the knowledge is outside your knowledge of understanding. You know you have a spectrum. You have an intellectual spectrum. And all of a sudden, you instantaneously have access to a level of information that is outside your spectrum. So you know you're downloading the information from another source. So that's the whole topic of this subject: juxtaposition of incongruity, surrealism, absurdity. Juxtaposition of incongruity, man. The juxtaposition of incongruity. That's the term they call it. Juxtaposition of incongruity. The merging of the incompatible. Merging of the incompatible.